welcome to this video. Today we are tackling a key idea. A digital twin isn't just a fancy HMI. A lot of people think it's just a visual interface, but we are going to see how it's so much more than that. Traditionally, physical interactions or sensor behavior were often simulated directly in the PLC. But here, we'll show how we can simulate all those physical aspects right inside Isaac Sim. That means the PLC can focus purely on control, while the digital twin handles the real-time physics. In other words, we are making the digital twin a true physical mirror, not just a visual dashboard. We'll start the sequence. The PLC sends the command. Isaac Sim simulates each box group with real physics, and each interaction between box and table is fed back to the PLC in real time. No more simulating everything inside the PLC itself. In conclusion, we've seen that a digital twin is far more than a basic HMI. It's a powerful tool for faithfully simulating physical reality. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more industrial tech content.